If you want to create a manual prescription on the FieldView site, you can just navigate to the prescriptions tab. Once you're in the prescriptions tab, you can see there is an option for fertility, planting and protection. Over here you can navigate in between years. If you have previous prescriptions, they will show in which year the prescription was created. Over here you can navigate in between fields and you can search for the field that you're looking for. For now I'm going to create a prescription on land 2. Then you just click on create a new prescription. Here you can navigate to what prescription you want to create. Is it for fertility, for planting or for protection? For this video I'm going to create a planting script. You can choose between maize and soybeans. Then you click on start at the manual planting prescription. On this page you will see there is 4 options. So the first option is to generate zones from a map layer. You can use zones from a previous prescription, use zones from an imported prescription, or draw your own zones in the field. So for this video I'm going to use an imported prescription. Then you click on next. You select the prescription. Then you go to next. You can select the planting date. I'm just going to choose September 3rd. You can enter what hybrid you want to plant in that field, and you can select over here if you're using a started liquid fertilizer, and you can edit the prescription file name over here. Then you click on Finish in Editor. You'll see the 2 zones generated from the imported prescription. If you're not sure which zone is which, you can just click on zone 1. It will highlight the area for you where the zone is. And zone 2 is in this area over here. If you want to add another area for the prescription or zone for the area, you can click here on draw, or draw polygon. You can click anywhere where you want the zone to be added. Then just to finish it up, you click on the first dot where you started and then you click on save. You can see now there is 3 zones. It shows you the area of each zone and how big the area is. Zone 1 is now highlighted, so you can see this is now zone 1. Zone 2 is in this area, that's highlighted over there. And zone 3 is in this area that is highlighted. And you can start entering the population that you want to use. It will give you an average population for the entire field and how many bags do you need for that field. If you're happy with the prescription, you can click on save, save changes. If you want to export the prescription for the planter that you're going to use, you can click on the 3 dots, export, you can download it. And it's starting to be downloaded. Export, change, and whatever planter you're using, you can just select the file, and then click on download.